Hey guys, I'm here at the Buchmüller. I'm picking up the M3. Just wanted to share with you some spots. This is a Porsche engine. I can ask later which one of. And it's a complete rebuild. Now the housing is just fresh from coating back. Looks pretty good. Maybe it's just some details from this thing, it's just crazy. They're also doing some complete restoration as T1s and Mercedes, most of them. This is the Pagoda, and they kind of rebuilt the whole car from aluminium, so it never gets rusted again. So it's a cool stuff. And they also stiff it out and measure it. You can see lots of measurement points that everything fits perfectly after rebuilding. Yeah, it's crazy stuff. You're also checking tolerances, and then it gets to the paint shop. After this, gets a rebuilt new engine, and yeah, nice stuff. Here again, some tolerance stuff. They're just gonna fix it. Some other stuff, all jag. Probably it's from one of the customers. It gets a new front glass. Nice, classy stuff. In this box is a lot of parts for the rebuilds. New engines, new parts, like you can see here it says Pagoda. Yeah, this is an already finished T1. Actually, it's their car, also with a new engine, a little bit stronger than the original one. And this is a Porsche without engine, but it's hard to see here. It's a little bit dark, probably need light. Try to get more light. Yes. Maybe I take some pictures and I show you. Yeah, this is it. Now I'm just get the car. There's a Tesla Model 3, nice one, white with the black wheels with some red details. I love this car too. Probably if I would buy a electric car right now, it would be the one which I would choose. Probably this color. This color looks amazing. It's just right now got back from the wash. Nice top, nice glass. It's a dual motor. Yeah, it's a great car. With some nice carbon fiber spoiler details. Looks amazing. I like this kind of ducktailish spoilers. Probably I'm gonna change on the M3 as well. Just look at this classic beauty. It's great. It's from a customer. They gonna fix something and they just took the car. It's an old guy. It looks like he can just ride with Mercedes. It wasn't his face. It was a real Mercedes guy. Oh, maybe he has more cars. He looked rich. His wife got also a complete restorated VW Beetle, and the original one. Yeah, but this is also. It looks like almost new. I mean, it's like new. Or probably better than new with this nice leather interior. You can't see many years or touches in this car. Only maybe the steering wheel tells you that's a little bit got aged, but probably it's a restorated car. And it's a 190 SL Cabriolet. Yeah, pretty nice. And before I leave here, I just take some pictures from the cars, which are from the guys. They are also enthusiasts. They are not just selling, rebuilding cars, they also, of course, driving those. This is a Carrera 4S. It's the 968. Yeah, it's 968 Carrera 4S with the perfect 4S wheels on it, Pilot Sport, and nice white color as well. A black leather interior. It's hard to show you everything. Yeah.